All right, Chatham students, we're back. We've now made it to the Catskill Creek in South Cairo. We went upstream, away from the Hudson River. Now we're at the South Cairo Bridge, and we are going to head down into this thicket here. I've got my sampling pole, my Chromebook just if I need it, a bunch of supplies in this cooler, which you'll see in a little bit. Whoa, sort out, don't fall. Okay, to get to the creek here, we need to do a little scrambling. You can see the tracks of raccoons and of course humans walking through this Japanese knotweed. Here I am. Great blue heron got spooked by me and is flying away. Put my things down here. Hopefully this stays dry. I'll look at my guidelines for water quality sampling. Remember that the first step is to write the time of the sample on this and make sure the name is correct. South Cairo Bridge, Catskill Creek. Okay. Make sure I brought the Sharpie with me. And right at the time, it's 10:15. Almost class time. And the date is 9. Okay, I have the time and date and the location on the bottle. It's still sealed, so it's protected. I am taking out rubber gloves, some PPE, personal protective equipment, to ensure that my hands stay safe and don't contaminate the sample. I'm trying to hold on to the glove from the wrist part so I don't contaminate the finger parts. Alright. Now, remove the cap from this, now that I'm definitely sure I'm ready. And I connect it to my super sweet extender stick. Connect it like this. Oops, missed. Connect it. This is actually what I did last time. Yeah. Connect it like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. Have a nice telescoping arm for this. Now, set you up like this. I want to read my directions from the bank. Use your sampling pole to sample water flowing, or step out on the rocks until you're able to sample moving water with the pole. Submerge the bottle upside down. Do that and discard it for a total of 3 rinses to make sure we're getting a good sample and nothing from the bottle is contaminated. Oh, there goes a crayfish. Touching the bottom, so that we contaminate. 1. 2. 3. Now, a real sample. Untelescope this. And I've got a little too much water. I just want it to the shoulder. So I'm going to pour some off carefully. And that's good. Then I'm going to cap it. And remove it. Now I'm going to put it here. You can see that I have a cooler with ice. We want this to stay on ice because what we're actually testing for is bacteria in the water. Since bacteria are a living thing, they don't like to be overheated, and if we cool them off, at least they will stay alive for a little bit. I'm going to remove my rubber gloves, throw them in my garbage bag, and then wipe myself up with some hand sanitizing wipes, and then move on to the next site. Thanks for watching. Oh, remember, I saw that great blue heron at the beginning. That was the cool thing I saw at this site, besides the bridge and the crayfish.